Hello everyone and welcome to ChatterBot Demo. So let's get right into this brief little overview. So when you first register, what you're going to notice is this is your site maker, your back office. Over here on the left hand side, one of our modules that you will be receiving is our CRM, our Customer Retention Management System. Be able to track all your leads. We have a video for that coming out shortly. We're going to have a help section. We have home over here. Go over on the right hand side. What you see right up here at the top, we have a little envelope. This one just happens to have a number on it, which simply means that there's just some tutorials that need to be imported. This box over here with the check mark, that is actually associated with the CRM. That is going to let you know if you have any tasks due. This is our search help, and this is the email that you use to register with. So let's go right into start playing around with the messenger chatbot system we have. So we're going to click on that, and what is going to come up first is the start the authorization process. Now when I click on this, it's now going to want to prompt me to Facebook, and I'm going to log into the Facebook account that I want to put our messenger chatbot on. So we're going to start the authorization process, and it's now going to direct me to log in with Facebook. Simply go ahead and log in, and now it's going to take me to the next screen, which is now all my pages that do not have a bot are listed on the right hand side. So we now get to choose which page we want to put the bot on. Let's go ahead and do it over on the ChatterBot test page here. Click OK to proceed. And now what's going to pop up next is going to be a bot wizard and tutorial that can come in. So we made it extremely simple to use. So in one quick second here comes the bot wizard. Video tutorial to the bot. If you built a bot with our system before and you want to get right to it, let's go ahead and now go to the bot wizard. Here's our get started message. What you'll see is we also detailed what you need to put in. So over in here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to simply copy and paste some text that I already have. That way we can just keep this moving along. So I just grab some text that I have, copy and paste it into here. Proceed to the next step. And now the next step is going to be where we detail also what you're going to be doing for your first bot reply. We're going to proceed. And I'm just going to put in for simple purposes bot demo. Moving along. Text to be shown to the user, no more than 600 characters over here. So we kind of thought of everything. We want to make sure that this process is really intuitive and really simple for everyone. Go on to the next step. Now the next step was we're going to drag and drop an image in here. We kind of also tell you a little bit of the parameters. So let me just go ahead and grab a quick image, and our system is extremely fast. So I'm going to go ahead and upload this, and within a split second, and there it is, already uploaded. Proceed to the next step. And now we can actually put in a website if we want to redirect people. So let me go ahead and grab a quick website over here, and I'll be able to show you another excellent feature that we have. Put the website in. Click here button. Proceed to the next step. And now that is essentially your first step with building a bot with us. Now let me just go over a few more of the instructions here on steps 7 through 12. Let's just go ahead and proceed. You'll see we have multiple text and images, free forms, some of our additional features. We're going to have some ready-made templates. We're also going to have a template club too as well. We really want to make this easy for everyone. So even if you've never built a bot before, you're going to see that you can build a bot with us and be able to sell it and market it. Proceed to the next one. Have some automations. We're also going to have a training club too as well, template club. Now let's go ahead and start using this platform. Alrighty, so now here we go with, that's what we started with. Now let me show you again some of the easy features we have. So let's new trigger. Now let's go ahead and access that from our templates. Let's go ahead and add a coupon. Now remember, these are our templates. So you get to go in and you get to adjust them, put images in. Click OK, add that one. Let's go ahead and let's just add one more just to show you. Let's add another trigger. Now we're going to add it from our, let's just pick the blog here. Add this one. Click OK. And quite simply, if I want to now go in and edit it, I just click on these. I go in and I'm able to actually edit it out. I'll show you real briefly. You can go ahead and edit it. Clone it as well. Let's go back. Okay, so now let's go ahead and let's chat with this bot, and then I'll be right back to this page and show you some more of the features. Let's go ahead and chat with this bot now. And as it's loading up, what you're going to find is this loading into Messenger, and we're going to have a quick little get started button that's going to pop up here in just a second, and then we can start chatting with our creation. So down here is my get started button. Go ahead and I click on that. Here's the get started. Let's go to the bot demo. Again, text that we put in. There we go. And that's the website. Now what you're going to notice on this website that we put this bot actually on this website, because you can take our bot and you can put it on any website. You'll have a simple process to do that, and over here in the bottom right hand side is where you're going to see the little messenger icon. Let's go ahead and click that, and here comes the bot. You can kind of see some of the things you can do. Let's go ahead and close that out. Let's go back over to Messenger, because remember we did put a coupon in here, so let's go ahead and type in coupon. And up will come the coupon. We also did a little blog. And here's going to come the template that we had in there. So that is really, really easy and really fast to do, and that is the workings of your first bot. Let's go back over here to manage this chatbot, show you a few of the other options you have over here. So we also have bot map, get started message. If we wanted to restart the bot creation wizard, some other options over here. And over here on the right hand side, you're going to see we have the marketing automations, manage e-commerce, Zapier integrations, comments, auto replies. This is where you get the code to put into a website. We can clone this bot, even unlink this bot. We also have users and analytics. Let's go over here, and since we chatted with the bot, we'll actually see that we have now 1 subscriber on this. Go in some of the content that you'll be able to grab and see as your bot is built and is being used. Now let's go back. And as you see, that is essentially building a bot. Really, really simple to use. We want to thank you for coming on board for this exciting new launch, and we wish you well and much success. Thanks again. Bye-bye.